breaking news right here on News 11.
Good evening. Tonight, Yuma Regional Medical Center reporting 5 new COVID deaths in just the past 24 hours. The hospital did not confirm whether all 5 individuals were unvaccinated, but given the recent trend in hospitalizations, it is likely that is the case. For context, among the 69 hospitalizations at YRMC, only 10 people are vaccinated. It's a troubling trend as the hospital fears another holiday surge is right around the corner. Tonight, nearly 24 patients remain in the COVID intensive care unit. That's why President Biden addressed the nation today as cases of the virus continue to surge nationwide. Tonight, News 11 has confirmed Yuma Regional Medical Center will be among the first medical facilities in Arizona to receive assistance from the federal government. We'll have more on that in just a bit. First, though, Chris Pallone breaks down the president's speech tonight from Washington.
Good afternoon.
In the next phase of the fight against COVID-19, the Biden administration will send 500 million rapid tests to people who request them, set up more testing sites and vaccination clinics, and deploy 1,000 military members to hospitals where staff is stretched thin from a flood of COVID patients.
This is a critical moment. We also have more tools than we ever had before. We're ready. We'll get through this.
The moves come as the Omicron variant supplants Delta as the majority of new cases in the U.S. Mayors reinstate mask mandates, pro sports leagues postpone games, and cities reconsider New Year's celebrations. The nation now with its first known death from Omicron, an unvaccinated man in Texas. As people prepare to travel for the holidays, they're waiting hours in places like Miami and New York to get tested.
It's been frustrating, to say the least.
The president with a warning for people who won't get vaccinated.
If you're not fully vaccinated, you have good reason to be concerned. Almost everyone who has died from COVID-19 in the past many months has been unvaccinated. Unvaccinated.
Look at the latest CDC statistics. In the unvaccinated, there are 6 COVID deaths per 100,000 people. For the vaccinated, that drops considerably to 0.5 deaths. Among those boosted, just 0.1 deaths per 100,000.
It is extraordinarily important for people to be vaccinated, and if you are eligible for a boost, to get boosted.
A plan is in place as Americans brace for the worst of the Omicron wave. Now that Omicron is the dominant strain of COVID in the United States, President Biden said he is reconsidering the travel ban on countries in southern Africa, though no final decision has been made. In Washington, Chris Pallone, NBC News.
And as we mentioned, part of President Joe Biden's major announcement includes sending medical personnel to 6 states. Arizona is one of them. YRMC confirming with News 11 in just the last hour it will receive roughly 10 paramedics. News 11's Cody Lee joining us live from the hospital tonight with what else we're learning. Cody?
Yes, Adonis, some good news and some relief to the county as COVID-19 cases continue to influx. County officials and YRMC say they're ready for this team of professionals to come into town, especially as Yuma's only hospital is in need of more staff to treat patients.
President Biden announcing he's sending crews across the country to help combat the threatening new Omicron variant. According to the White House, there will be 6 emergency response teams with more than 100 clinical personnel and paramedics. And once again, Yuma County is receiving some much-needed support.
We were waiting for this assistance for some time now. I think it's a great help at this point. We asked for nurses also, additional nurses that may be arriving in the near future. We were told within the next 1 to 2 weeks.
In the state of Arizona, both Mojave and Yuma counties will be the first to receive the teams. Since the beginning of December, Yuma Regional Medical Center has experienced between 65 to 75 hospitalizations a day.
The most critical need is in the intensive care. We will have to expand our capacity. We are pretty much maxed out for our staff bed in ICU almost every day for the past few weeks.
Now, YRMC says the strike team is expected to be here in Yuma County within 24 to 48 hours, and we're going to have much more coming up tonight at 6, Adonis, and how this surge is mirroring the same surge we saw this time last year. Well, reporting in Yuma, Cody Lee, News 11, back to you.
Cody, thanks. We'll see you back here at 6. 24 new cases to report today in Yuma County, and sadly another jump in deaths. 8 more people have now died from the virus. Again, as we mentioned, we have confirmed 5 people died at YRMC in the last 24 hours. 31 new cases to report today in Imperial County. Thankfully, no new deaths. A little more than 1,100 new doses administered today in Yuma County, and nearly 2,000 vaccines given out today in the Imperial Valley.